Very happy today. I've got my Tiny Hawk S. It's arrived. Big fan of the first one. This one here does 1S and 2S batteries, which is becoming quite common. The trash can did it, Ishin trash can, as well as Mobula 7, the very popular Mobula 7 or Mobula 7. And it came with this, which those other two models I don't think had. And this basically says that there's a PID profile for a 1S setup and a PID profile for a 2S setup. So if you're switching between the two, you do need to change profiles, which is a bit of a pain, but necessary. It's becoming more and more popular that we're using multi-cell batteries or different cell batteries for different quads, even in the 5-inch quads as well. And it's a bit of a pain switching profiles because unlike your profile rates, which you can assign to a switch, you typically have to go through your OSD. So I'm going to show you 4 different ways of changing your PID profiles, and a couple of which are going to save you a bit of headache, I think. Method number 1's the obvious one. I'll screenshot that and put it up there, but basically you want your throttle in the mid, your left, pitch up, and that will enter the BetaFlight OSD menu. With your right stick on mode 2, I suppose, flick to the right and you'll enter into PID profile, and then you can select 2, 3, back down to 1. From there you need to save that, so just go back, save and reboot, and that's it. So the second method is actually a lot easier and one that not too many people know. So what you want to do, if you look over here, I've got 1.1, that's my PID profile and PID rate profile. So all I'm doing is throttle down and bottom left, and then on the right hand side, if I flick up, I change to profile 2, to the right changes to 3, and to the left back to 1. And that's probably the best way of doing it. I'd recommend adding your PID profile to your OSD there so you can monitor that as well. The third method is rather impractical, and you probably will never need to use it on the rare occasion that for whatever reason you can't get access to your PIDs through your OSD, or you can't get access to BetaFlight, and you've forgotten what the stick movements are, but you do happen to have a laptop handy, BetaFlight, and I'm pretty sure everyone knows this one, but very quickly, click connect, move across to PID tuning, and select your profile there, and make sure you save, and that's it. Like I said, a bit impractical, but let's move on to the last one, which I think is a lot more practical. For the fourth and last method, full credit to Joshua Bardwell. I'll put a link to his video, which goes into great detail, but I'm going to show you how to quickly do it using BetaFlight 4. So I'll connect here, go straight to CLI, and in the command line, enter get auto underscore profile cell count. And now we're going to type in profile 0, which is actually profile 1. So profile 0. And on profile 0, we want to set auto underscore profile underscore cell underscore count equals 1. And that's going to assign profile 1 to a 1-cell battery. Now if I type in profile 1, which is in fact profile 2, then I want to do that again. Set auto profile cell count equals 2. And then we want to save. And that's it. To demonstrate that in action with the Tiny Hawk S, I'm going to plug in a single cell battery. And we should see 1.1 over here.
Telemetry recovered.
There we go. I'll unplug the single cell battery and put in a 2-cell battery. And 2. So how cool is that? That's pretty cool. Thanks Joshua Bardwell. Again, I'll put a link into the description. And thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. I'm going to try and put out some more handy hints and tips and so forth. And that's it.